Hi.
Hindi, sabihin mo
Hi,
kung
guys.
sabihin mo kung ano yung nilalaro natin and everything.
We're playing Short Creepy Stories, the Steamboat level. And, yeah, yun lang.
Okay.
Are you here? Can you see me? Oh, you're a man.
Okay as fuck.
Just call me ugly.
That's not you though.
Oh, may tao sa taas there. Oh, I think that... No, come on. God, why
Why
is
do
it...
you look like that?
Ikaw din naman eh. We look the same. Ano yung tsura ko ngayon? Do I look like a middle-aged man na naka-jacket na mukhang galit?
No!
Oh, wow. Why do I look so fat?
See? Exactly! I look better than you!
Ay.
There are a few tasks you
Why does he talk like that?
First, give the deck a good scrubbing.
I like this.
Oh.
I
And
like
whip
this.
up something
I like
tasty
what
for
There.
our bellies.
I'm gonna give the deck a good scrubbing.
How?
Ito, I think we have to find the map. Come, nasan ka na?
Girl,
Let's
I'm
find the map.
finding them up.
Come. I think there's gonna be a jump scare.
Tapos papakita mo sa akin.
Without stamina. Why are you laughing?
Keep walking, girl.
Ano ba? What's funny? Huh? Ayaw mo sabihin sa... What's funny?
You would have a please. It's so funny to me. It's so funny to me. Keep walking, girl.
Ang taas ng quality mo. What the fuck? Why is it so high? Huh? Ayaw mo sabihin sa... What's funny?
How do you think I'd feel?
Wait lang.
Fine job. Well done. Next, needing your assistance any further. You're free to take a break or entertain yourself as you see fit.
Oh, I'm gonna entertain myself. You have to clean the deck. Aren't you?
I am. I'm done. I'm gonna put the map back.
Saan ka pumunta?
I'm down.
May downstairs?
Hindi. Yung inano ko yung deck. Lloyd. Oh my god.
Could you take the wheel for a moment?
I wanna take the wheel, please. I wanna take the wheel. No.
Oh, wala ka pa nga dito. What do you
Oh,
mean?
gago. Tinakot ako nito.
I wanna be a pirate when I grow up.
Okay, I'm done taking the steering wheel. Ano na?
Sa baba.
Anong sa baba? May steering wheel sa baba?
Yes. Ayan o.
What?
I never mind.
Steering wheel ka dyan. Lock pa tayo.
Lagi naman ako.
Uy, ano yun? Narinig mo yun?
Dad. Ano? I don't wanna clean the deck. It's so boring. I don't wanna clean the deck.
Samahan mo man ako. Baka ako dito ma-jump scare.
Alright.
There, come with me. Sineseparate. Ayaw nila na dalawa yung jobs.
Wala na tayong potato.
Wait lang. Sir, baka magka-cannibalism tayo dito eh. Come.
Act up, girl. Let's have gay sex.
This kind of creepy. Ano yun? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I hear that.
Yung tumatawa?
Yeah. It's really nothing, Lloyd.
Ano yun? Claire, find the potatoes. Or-
Trying.
No, huwag mo man ako iwanan.
Girl, I'm trying to find the fucking potatoes. What do you want?
Yeah, pero nang iiwan ka eh. Dapat... Do you hear that?
Yeah.
There's something in there. I think it's the rats.
See, rats lang naman eh. Come on, let's find the potatoes.
Samahan mo man ako.
Asan kasi?
Ano yun?
Saan ba? Ang kulit mo.
Ano yun? Claire, there's noise.
I know there's noise. Kanina po may noise. What do you mean?
Hindi, may parang nagbubukas.
Don't blink.
Bakit yung potatoes? Nakasabi P eh. Come.
Eto. Nahanap ko na. Let's go.
Nakuha mo?
Yes, let's go.
Ayoko na dito.
Can get up.
Go.
Okay. Let me cook!
Go. Oh, I'm sorry.
You've outdone yourself.
I know, right?
You could use some rest.
Yeah, I do. Good night.
See? You're flirting with the captain.
The captain looks like my grandpa. Kaya, I already went off. Akala ko tumaas ka na.
Yeah, I did. Kanina pa ako nasa taas. I'm already in the furnace. See? Are you seeing that? Baka may nasa taas. Ba't may ilaw?
What are you saying? I think you're overthinking this.
Ay,
Scrumptious dinner. Do you want to split up?
no! I think we have to go under the deck. Baka na doon yung captain.
Whatever, bro. I think you're going there.
Nasa baba ka na ba?
Yeah.
Go in!
Ayoko!
Ba talaga?
Yeah,
Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
I'm finding potatoes.
Kailangan mo?
Yeah.
Wala ka naman kasi sinabi eh. I could have went with you.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, kita mo? Bakit?
What was that head? It was like
Head of-
like an alien.
Baka yan yung ano.
Yeah, yun.
Kalab. No!
No! Lord!
No! I'm cooking it!
Clean the fucking deck!
I already did!
I could get...
May kulang pa ako. Put down the mop. Stop. Close the booklet now. Na-refill mo na yung stamina mo?
Yes.
Bumaba ka pa.
Go. Sa pinakadulo.
Samahan mo ako.
Oh.
Nasaan mo nakita yung head?
Ayun o. Diyan. Sa may hole na yan.
What the fuck is that sound?
Go, Lloyd. Just go.
Oh, okay.
This is sound.
I got it. I got the goods. We're running. There, go up, go up. It won't let me go up. Pass the music.
So what is that? You hear that?
There, come. Pumasok siya doon sa may ano, sa may map.
Bitch, I'm steering the... Okay.
There's a... May lumilipad! Nakikita mo yan?
Saan?
Sa side mo, may lumilipad! Lumilipad! Claire! Takbo! Yung captain! Nagkakontrol siya!
I'll take it from here. Go get some
Wait! Claire, I'm gonna show you something! Mag-stop ka muna! I'm gonna stream you! Nakikita mo yan?
What do you mean? Saan?
Sa side mo, may lumilipad! Lumilipad! Claire! Takbo! Yung captain! Nagkakontrol siya!
I'll take it from here. Go get some.
What do you mean?
Wait,